Hi everyone and welcome to lesson 18 at breakfast. In this lesson you will learn about different kind of food you will find at a German breakfast. Let's have a look. At breakfast. Breakfast in German is das Frühstück. Das Frühstück. Let's start with the most important thing, which is bread. Bread in German is das Brot. Das Brot. And the plural form is die Brote. Die Brote. Das Frühstück, das Brot, die Brote. Bread rolls or bread buns. Das Brötchen, das Brötchen. Or die Brötchen, die Brötchen. Das Brötchen, die Brötchen. Toast, das Toastbrot, das Toastbrot. And the plural form, die Toastbrote, die Toastbrote. Das Toastbrot, die Toastbrote. Butter, in German we say die Butter, die Butter. For butter there is no plural form in German. Jam, die Marmelade, die Marmelade. Die Butter, die Marmelade. Milk, die Milch, die Milch. Also here there's no plural form. Sugar, der Zucker, der Zucker. Die Milch, der Zucker. Coffee, in German we say der Kaffee, der Kaffee. Tea, der Tee, der Tee. Der Kaffee, der Tee. Egg or eggs, das Ei, das Ei. And the plural form, die Eier, die Eier. Sausage or sausages, die Wurst, die Wurst. And die Würste, die Würste. Das Ei, die Eier, die Wurst, die Würste. For cold meats and cheese we have the word der Aufschnitt, der Aufschnitt. Or the plural form, die Aufschnitte, die Aufschnitte. For cheese itself we also have the word der Käse, der Käse. Also here there is no plural form. Der Aufschnitt, die Aufschnitte, der Käse. Honey, der Honig, der Honig. Müsli, das Müsli, das Müsli. Der Honig, das Müsli. Now let's have a look what kind of eggs you will find at a German breakfast. Boiled egg or boiled eggs. Gekochtes Ei. Gekochtes Ei. Remember, Ei, which means egg, is neuter, das Ei. The plural form is gekochte Eier. Gekochte Eier. Eier is feminine, die Eier. Omelette, das Omelett, das Omelett. Gekochtes Ei, gekochte Eier, das Omelett. Scrambled eggs, das Rührei, das Rührei. Egg sunny side up, das Spiegelei, das Spiegelei. Now let's have a look at juice. Juice in German is der Saft, der Saft. For example, orange juice in German we would say Orangensaft. Orangensaft. Apple juice, Apfelsaft. Apfelsaft. Orangensaft and Apfelsaft is masculine because of the last word Saft, which means juice. Der Orangensaft. Der Apfelsaft. This was lesson 18. I will see you in the next lesson where we will learn how to order food.